Salutations, second graders. Welcome to Phonics. Today we are working on page 146, Mobile Lesson 8 on our Phonics mobile learning platform. So today we're going to go over chart 13 quickly together. And if you need to review it on your own, it's in your handbook for reading on page 146. You can get your handbook for reading out and let me get my chart up. We'll run through it quickly together before we do our worksheet. All right, friends, here we go. Ready? Do your chart with me. Full and beautiful, F-U-L, air and care, A-R-E, tin and mountain, T-A-I-N, urine pure, U-R-E, cheer and pasture, T-U-R-E, war and warm, W-A-R, shun and nation, T-I-O-N, shun and missionary, S-I-O-N, shun in television, S-I-O-N, A and 8, E-I-G-H, in sailor, O-R, in dollar, A-R, it in crystal, Y, air and cherry, E-R-R. Good work, second graders. Make sure you know those sounds really well. Practice your chart on page 146, and let's look in your phonics packet at page 146. Remember, chart 13's on page 146 of your handbook for reading. All righty, friends. So you're in your phonics packet. We're looking at page 146, and at the top it says circle T-A-I-N, the tin and mountain, with green, and circle the shun in nation with red. If you don't have colors, you can just use your pencil, and give me just a moment and let me get that in front of you. Alrighty, friends, so your paper looks like this. Remember I said circle the tin and mountain with green and the shun and nation with red. If you don't have colors, you can just use your normal pencil, but I will be looking that you circled those special sounds. So the first sentence we'll do together. The librarian certainly found that fiction book quickly. What words would we circle there? Caesar. Remember, I'm looking for the special sounds. Very good. The T-A-I-N in certainly. And the shun in fiction. Nice job. Okay, you'll do 2, 3, and 4. If you need my help, you can stay tuned when we're done with directions, and we'll do it together. The rest of you, let's look at number 2. We're going to do check. Write a title for the fiction book. Well, to do a title, you need to read all of the sentences above and decide which book what would be a good title for a book when you take all of those into account, kind of like what you've been practicing on IXL. So you're going to figure out what do they have in common. So number 2 is I enjoyed the story about an Indian chieftain who was admired by the whole nation. Do the Canadian Indians live in a mountainous section of the country? I would like more information about Indians. So you're going to have to think, well, I heard Indians, I heard chieftain. I don't know. What do you think a good title for a book that has all of those sentences in it would be? The Canadian Indians? Indian chieftains? I'm not sure, guys. You get to make up your own title, but it has to pertain to what the information is in those sentences. Alrighty, then number 3, we're going to choose the correct word. Are you curtain or certain you closed the curtain or certain, right? We have to read the words correctly. We have the curtain and certain. Alrighty, friends. And then finally, for number 4, you need to circle the chur and pasture. So you're going to make sure that it makes the same sound. So we have adventure. Would we circle the T-U-R-E? Mila. Yes, good job. And you'll go ahead and find the T-U-R-E in all of the words and circle it. And remember, it's the chur and pasture. So we have adventure, moisture, and you'll do the rest. Okay, second graders, then we're going to check. Solve the riddle using the word from above. When I am up, you should lie down. When I go back down, you can run around. What am I? And if you look at the picture there, the little guy is sick in bed. So what do you think it is that we're talking about here, friends? Fever, right? Good job. All right, stay tuned if you'd like help, and I'll help you. Okay, friends, I had technical difficulties I'm going to try to fix, and then we'll finish our paper together. Okay, friends, here we go. Number 2 says, I enjoyed the story about an Indian chieftain who was admired by the whole nation. Sean, what would we circle there? We're looking for the tin and mountain and the shun and nation. Right, the tin and chieftain. Good. And the Shunin Nation. Excellent job. All right, let me change my color so that we know where we started. And then we need to do number 3. Do the Canadian Indians live in a mountainous section of the country? So who can help me there? Let's see. Tino. Tin and mountain, mountainous, right? But the word mountain's there. And the Shunin section. Awesome, second grade. I would like more information about Indians. Where are we going to? Yes, in the shun in information. Good job. All right. What is the title you want for our book? Shout it out and write it down. I'm going to give my book the title, An Indian. Remember, titles of books, every word is capitalized. An Indian chieftain, because it's the title, right? Okay. And then if we go down here, we're going to choose the correct word. Let's think, what's going to make sense? Are you curtain, you close the curtain? No way. Guys, that makes no sense. Sonia, fix it for me. Are you certain you close the curtain? All right, second graders, last part before we write in the blank, and it is circling the chur and pasture. So we have creature, picture, temperature, nature, scripture, capture, and future. Those special sounds help us break the word down, right? All right, then we're going to go ahead and solve. We said that the answer to this riddle was what? When I am up, you should lie down. When I go back down, you can run around. What am I? Friends, that's the temperature or the fever, right? Temperature is the word we want because that's the word that goes with our phonics paper today. So temperature. Alrighty, friends. That's it for phonics today. Have a great day and I will see you soon for another lesson. Bye.